even know how to
Okay,
do
we're
this.
back now with Paloma's pantry.
This one?
Watch it. Push that button there.
Push it or?
Yep, push it in. Push it. There we go. We're going to let the steam off. We're going to let it cool off a little bit. Notice how we have all of our spices here. Everything. We have a lot of them. Anyway, this might take about a minute or two. We're blowing off some steam. And we're going to show you the mussels. The final. Paloma's pantry. We're live here. It's not Santo Domingo. But she's representing. And she's making mussels tonight. How do you say mussels in Spanish?
I don't even know.
We looked it up.
It's mejillones?
I don't know about that. But anyway.
It's coming out. Almost done.
So we're almost done with the steam here. We're going to show you the final product. What we have.
I was right. It's mejillones.
Mejillones. Okay?
Yes.
For all those Latino viewers. Mejillones.
I just confused it with clams.
It's okay. I think we're ready. You can maybe twist it to the right there.
I am scared.
See if it's going to work for us. Turn it. That way. Does it go? There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh, no. It's still locked. It's still locked.
Still locked.
We got to still it a little bit.
Yeah.
Anyway, you're going to enjoy the final product. We went over it step by step. All the ingredients we put in there. All fresh. I think it might be some. There we go. Here it is. Here's the look at these mussels. You can't smell, unfortunately, but
Yeah.
they smell delicious. They are fresh. They're ripe. They're ready to eat.
Smell like we're in the sea.
She approves.
Boca Chica.
And she approved. So that's pretty much it. It was very simple. And thank you for joining us again on Palomita's Pantry.